W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody, today we are going to draw a spider. Look at that spider. Now that's a complicated looking spider if you ask me, but I think it's just because it has so many legs. Did you know to draw this spider you only need 4 basic lines and shapes? Only 4. A circle, an oval, an arc, and a line. Wow, that's so simple. Let's see how it all fits together. Let's get started drawing. Let's start off with the oval. The oval is going to go right about here. Make sure you don't draw too big of an oval because we want to make sure we have enough space for all the legs, because spiders have a lot of legs. All right, now we're going to add a circle at the bottom of the oval right here, just so it looks like that. And now we're going to add all the legs. Now, there's a lot of legs and they're all made up with lines, okay? So it'll be very simple. We'll just take it one leg at a time. We'll start here and we're going to have 2 lines come down on either side, just like that. And then we'll put another line parallel to it on either side, just like that. So this line is parallel to this one, and this line is parallel to this one. Now, each of these legs is going to have 3 segments. So that means another set of parallel lines, and you can angle them down like that. Just like that. So now we're going to add one last segment to each leg, and they'll come down to a point. So now they're not going to be parallel. They'll start at the same spot at the top, and then they'll come down to a point. Same thing on the other side. Have it come down to a point. 2 lines, just like that. So now we have 2 legs finished. Now we'll go to the next set. Start at the same spot right here, and we're going to have another 2 lines come out on this side, and then come out on this side, just like that. Now we'll add the next segment on each side. We'll have it come down on an angle again, and another set of parallel lines. And right here we'll do the same thing. Another set of parallel lines. And now we'll do one more segment on each side, but these will not be the parallel lines. They will come down to a point and have them join at the bottom. Start here, come down, and join at the bottom, just like that. So now we have 4 legs complete. Now if I'm going too fast, just pause the video so you can catch up, okay? Now we'll do the next set of legs. We'll start at the same spot. One set of parallel lines here, and then another set of parallel lines here, just like that. And then we're going to do another, we're going to make this one go out like this, because this is actually, I'm going to make this the last set of legs. We're going to squeeze another set in here. So right now we'll do another segment here, 2 parallel lines, and 2 parallel lines here, have it join, and then we'll have it come out to a point, 2 lines that come out to a point, and then 2 lines that come out to a point here. So we're going to start here, and we're going to have another set of lines come out just like that. Just like that. And make this one a little bit longer. Okay, and then we'll go out, 2 straight lines that go out for the next segment, out this way, and then the last segments come to a point, just like that. And look at that. Was that hard? No, that wasn't hard. We're just drawing lines. It's just a whole bunch of lines. So when you break down all of that really complex looking artwork to just a line and you take your time, it's so simple for us to draw a spider leg and then draw 8 spider legs. Okay, so now all we have left to do is create 2 circles for the eyes and then a little mouth. Now, a real spider wouldn't look like that, but we're not drawing a real spider. We're drawing a happy spider that's so cute. And now we'll draw the silk that comes from the back, and it's going to go all the way up to the top, and that is just one line because the spider is hanging down. What does your spider look like? Are you going to color your spider in? What color are you going to use? Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye. For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.